for street food here in Cebu. So ngita tag puso, naligi puso dire. Diara. So I'll let Daddy try the puso. Wala. Pilan yung puso?
Yes.
Ha? Let me smell this. Daddy, this is clean, promise. And that's how you should eat the puso.
Ano?
Ang pakano ng puso. Wala pa ko na siya katry ani taga Manila man eh. and then he's asking if it's clean. 'Di ba this is clean, kuya? Oh, clean lagi. Clean sure ka? Sabi niya, Parang half yung niya, Do you smell, Daddy? You can, ano naman, you smell. Yan, si Daddy very, talaga yan, particular sa kinakain niya. Ayan, no? Tingnan mo, Daddy, the Senior Santo Niño is looking at you. Meaning, whatever you eat is being scrutinized by the Senior Santo Niño.
Ito rice?
That's rice. That's what it's called puso in Bisaya.
Ano ba ito?
That's boiled rice.
With ano?
Oo, boiled rice na siya, Daddy.
Boiled rice
So
with
you try.
coconut. Ano ba?
And there's, what's this? Fried chicken nga lang. So, napailain. Fried chicken ra, no? May lain. Ako, I wanted to try the fried chicken. Pahingi ako ng kuya? Plastic. So, fried chicken lang ang ita-try ko because I do not eat white rice. Si Daddy lang kasi para ma-try ni Daddy yung puso in Cebu, in Bisaya. So, happy eating, Daddy. Tell me if you like the puso, Daddy. So, Jesus just in front of the Senior Santo Niño. Ayan. So, say, anong lasa, Daddy? You like it, Dad?
Asa McDo.
Lasa McDo. Ang taray ko yung lasang McDo daw yung mo. So, ako naman, I'll try the chicken. Though, it's really oily, no? But, ganun talaga, street food siya. So, probably I'll just ask for vinegar para kahit papano yung niya, yung oil niya is ma-neutralize natin. Kuya, naakay suka. Pwedeng mga yung suka, kuya. So, muna itong panihapon ron. Fried chicken. Yeah, si Daddy. You want the chicken also, Dad? But this is oily, ha? Pero okay lang. How much is this?
3.5.
Ha?
3.5.
3,500? 35 pesos. Ang puso, pila man?
Yes.
O, tag-gis na ng puso. Mahal na yung puso, no? Mahal na tanan, no, kuya? Dugay na ka dire, kuya, nagtinda. Bago pa. Taasa man ka?
Malanggo.
Olanggo. Okay, sige. Kaon sa mi, ha?
Okay, plastic.
Ngayon siya. I told you, you speak Bisaya if you're in Cebu. Huwag kang magtagalog dyan. Tawa-tawa si Daddy. So, sabi ni Daddy, yung puso daw tsaka yung fried chicken lasang McDo. So, that's good, Daddy.